Vehicle Assembly Center was first conceived about 5 years ago through discussions with BMW and Greenville Tech. Our guiding goal is to provide a new national model of education. And this takes the form of graduate students, undergraduate students, and technical college students all working on the same problem in the same place at the same time. This departs broadly from traditional graduate education, students tucked away in labs, undergraduates working on being engineers, and then technical college students working on being maintenance technicians. If you go into a factory, these are not separate functions. These are all the same people working on the same problem in teams. We built the Vehicle Assembly Center so we could have a realistic environment without production pressure. We're trying to envision what production systems for cars, for other products that are built in the upstate, what they're going to look like in 5 years, 10 years. We're inventing the future of production technology here in the upstate with the people that are going to be employed across the spectrum.